Now let us discuss about the project manager and project consultant. Now in project management, two key factors or two key persons we will be discussing. One is a project manager and another one is a project consultant. The project manager is a pivot where entire team is accelerates its activities. Now here pivot means, if you consider a mechanical point of view, pivot means a point around which everything revolves. So if it is a circle, the center point is a pivot. If it is a triangle, here this point could be called as a pivot, and most of the things are revolving around that. That means in a project, everything revolves around the project manager. And the project manager will be a person who will have total control over the project, and he will schedule and provide a responsibility for the members who are working on that project for successful execution and to achieve a better performance. Now the project manager is involved in planning the work, monitoring, directing and leading the participants, and seek to reach the project goals at a time. That means he plans the things, how the project should go on, and he will be the person who will be continuously monitoring whether the project will be done according, or it is going according to the plan or not. And in every stage he will be directing or he will be guiding the participants so that the final project goal has to be achieved. Now the question comes is what the project manager is. Project manager is a person having predominantly technical background and sufficient experience to expose expertise on multi-faced or multidimensional or multidisciplinary project. In general, he is a person who has the experience of working on more than one projects, so that he can carry forward the project activities without any problem. Now let us discuss about the characteristics of an ideal project manager. The project manager should be flexible and adaptable to the certain circumstances. He should be a person who should change with the requirements of the project, and on tough condition he should be in a position to take the decisions and adapt according to the needs. Performance for significant initiatives and to evolve as a best leader. The project manager should be a best leader. So becoming a leader is also a quality. The project manager should have a quality. If his team members or the persons who are not working on the project, or who are working on the project, will not listen to the leader, then the project will be a disaster. So the project manager should be a leader who can manage the individuals. He should be aggressive, should be very confident. Verbal fluency means he should have a better spoken knowledge. Aggressive means in a tough condition he should take a tough decisions. He should be very aggressive in that nature. He should not lose confidence in any stage of the project, because any project needs is built on the, or it is based on the confidence of the project manager. If the project manager is confident, he can succeed. So when we talk about the project, we'll take some of the examples of our Indian Space Research Centers and all. It is because of the leader or a chairman, it is possible that we could reach to the Mars, or what we call it as a Mangalayan or whatever it is. It is the confidence, it is the aggressiveness, it is the ability, it's the leadership of the chairman which takes us to the top position. He should be ultra specialist and should be a good communicator. He should have ambition to reach the highest goals. Like that, there are many other characteristics. He should have effectiveness as an integrator of the project personnel. So here integrator means he should combine all the members of the project and make sure that all the project personnels are working according to the plan. He should be poised with enthusiasm. So without enthusiasm, the teamwork or a morale might get down. So he should always boost, or he should be, if he is not enthusiastic, then his project team may not succeed or may not be very positive towards a task. So he should be enthusiastic, or he should always show the enthusiasm in the project and its success. In agitation, spontaneously able to, willing to devote most of his time to planning and controlling. It is very important for every project manager. It is very important to give his time for planning and controlling of the project. So he should not be complacent, or he should not be relaxed in any stage of the project until the project gets concluded. And he should be able to identify the project ahead, means before the problem comes, he should analyze and try to solve those problems. And he should make the decision in such a way that those decisions should be acceptable to the team. It should not have more of the conflict. And he should try to work with consensus, so that there should not be any conflict in the team members, and it should affect the project. And he should be able to maintain a proper balance in use of the time also. That is one of the very key factor as far as the characteristics of the project manager is concerned. So these are some of the characteristics of ideal project manager.